I first heard the student awards through CIT development office, and personally I'm not a very confident person, so actually this is a challenge for me, and it's also built up my confidence for myself. And through this award I can do like what I think I can work on my own idea, which is a very good opportunity. I can work through the whole process. I think this is an opportunity actually for me. Also, as part of our final year project in CIT, it's part of our course to do a project individually. And if I enter this award, it make me work harder on my own project. We had a team of 4 actually, myself and 3 students from business information from CIT. I did a presentation in a business information class, a whole class about my thoughts, my idea, my concepts of the project. And then people who are interested in my project and who think there's potential for this project, they will join to my team. So that makes sure that who joined into my team really like this project, so could be work really hard on this project instead of just get a team who don't know about the project and don't like it. Like, I think it's a really good idea, so I influence them to join in my team. We had a product, it's a medical device, it's called MedAware. This is our products actually. See, normally in hospital, if you have infusion, air always goes into the infusion drip line. And now in hospital, the nurses or medical staff have to come along and take the air out, use syringe, which is cost because the syringe and needles cost a lot, and it also costs time for the medical staff. And my device actually automatically removes the air from the infusion drip line. And I brought this project also because I know one of my lecturers is working in a university hospital in Cork, and he suggested that it's a big problem in the hospital. So I went in the hospital and did research on like how it affects if my products work. And actually it saves medical staff a lot of time, and it also saves the hospital a lot of money. And I think there's a big market for it because we did market research that in Ireland, there's 45% patients who actually have an infusion process every year. Like, I think the whole population of patients in Ireland is like 20,000, but 45% of them have infusion process, need my products. It depends really. If it's like a business idea, it's an idea about a service, I don't think it's essential for a prototype. But for my own project, I think it's essential to have a prototype. So you know if your concept is working or if it's not working, so you can keep thinking about what you're going to improve it. In the business plan, actually, most of the business plan was did by the business students in CIT in my team. And I'm the team leader in the team. Also, I think I'm the driver in the business plan who keep telling them the time deadline and keep like asking, have you got our brand name ready, you know, everything like that. But I like the work together with the team, so we all keep thinking about make the project better, make the plan that's reality, or like make the plan that's fit for the real world. I think do not be afraid. Do not think, oh, I can't do this, because you can do it. Like, you have nothing to lose, and like, if you're going to do it, also it's an opportunity for you to develop your own idea. You might won't get opportunity after this, because like the whole process, you can work on your own idea. Like, you can develop it, you can think in whatever you want to think about it. Like, you know, you can develop your own business plan, and I think it's a really good opportunity. Also, it's an experience to learn. I feel I learned a lot from this, like for setting up business, for innovation. Because I worked through the whole process, I learned a lot from this, actually. I gained a lot. First, as I said before, I'm not a confident person, and I think I become much more confident. And that's because I entered this competition. Also, I learned a lot of experience from this competition through the whole process of manufacturing, of design, marketing, prototype manufacturing. I learned the whole process of innovation or design a product. For me, like even the presentation is high as well, because the high standard presentation actually trained me not to be nervous in front of people. It's a challenge, but it also required a lot of work. I can't see any loads from the competition, actually. Yeah, I would think so, actually. I wouldn't think before this competition, but I would think after this competition. Even though I'm doing business, I'm doing PhD in research at the moment. But after my PhD, when I feel I have enough knowledge, everything, I would think set up a business, because I think I know a lot through this competition to set up a business, and I want to prove myself as well.